Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add a beautiful looking and an SEO optimized blog to your existing website. Today we're looking at adding a blog to your Mozello website. Let me get right into my Mozello account and show you how to add the blog to your site in a few clicks. Alright, so I'm in my demo account and let me now create a new page for our blog. So I click on Pages, Add New, and I will create a normal page with text. I call that page Blog. The page URL is blog, and you can fill out this information, show in main menu, show in footer menu, and save. Great. So now our blog is showing up in the main menu, in the footer menu, and now I've got here a text box. Now all you have to do is click here on the text box, just highlight all the text, remove it, and then click on this HTML icon. Also remove here everything, then go into your BlogHandy account and copy the step 1 code, go back to your Mozello account, paste it, and then go back to BlogHandy, take your step 2 code, paste it here, apply. Now you won't see it here in the editor, but it's already working. So let's click on preview and there you have it. Our blog is loading. Let's click on one of the blog posts and it is loading here. Now there's one more step we have to do. Take the URL of your blog page, go to BlogHandy and go to settings, and here paste your URL to your blog and just go down and click on save all changes. On that page in the settings you can also change some of the wording of your blog, and as well you can go to layout and design and change the design of your blog. For example, you can use the pop grid and you just click on that switch and then it automatically changes the design of your blog, as you can see here now. If you've got any other questions whatsoever on how to add a blog to your Mozello page, just let me know about it. I'm always happy to help. Have a great day, happy blogging, and bye bye.